Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another boxing item review. Today I have these for review. These are the, again, text reversed. I'm using the reverse camera, disclaimer, yada yada. I say it every video. But these are the Green Hill Tiger boxing gloves. These are genuine leather, anti-shock system, 12 ounce, and they are AIBA or IBA approved now, as they are known. So these are the 12 ounce amateur competition official Green Hill gloves. These are licensed until 2024, so these can still be used in amateur competitions until 2024, with the main brands that have long-term licenses until 2028 being Adidas and Sting. So undoing the cuff, they have your standard style amateur boxing cuff that just crosses over nicely. Very nice. Good leather work, decent, very floppy leather, very loose. You have the holes there for maximum breathability while wearing the glove. Slipping our hand into the glove, it's your standard teardrop shape amateur boxing glove. Also, they match my top, I just noticed. And your standard short cuff for amateur boxing. As you can see, you can visibly see the ridge line there. Again, you've got your AIBA approved 12 ounce and your general markings for the glove. Again, they are the amateur style with a very tucked in thumb. These are in the red. Again, these are the Green Hill Tigers. They also do another one, Green Hill, I can't remember, Lotus, that's it. That's their lace-up professional style boxing gloves that Green Hill offer in their boxing glove range. As you can see, lots and lots of firm padding. Amateur gloves are a lot more concentrated on the padding, so it's more focused to keep the boxers safe than for knockouts, as we know in amateur boxing. Literally very dense, very dense padding. Same with on the side, you have that there for blocking. Really nice. Lots of padding just all over, even on the backside of the hand. Not much padding underneath, very thin leather underneath with this white piping. Again, this is a red colourway with the white piping and a long attached thumb, a bat wing attachment, also with a fabric thing. I don't know why they added two in there, but fair enough. You can make a really good fist in these, really tight fist. Again, this is the amateur style glove. Not much else to really say. You've got the glittery classic style Green Hill face nameplate on there, as Green Hill do with all of their products. My Green Hill Spartan headguard has the exact same glittery text. You've got the Green Hill logo there with the weird shape. Oh, I just realised that's meant to be a hill. Well, I get that why. But yeah, very simple, basic amateur glove, competition glove. Very comfortable, very small, teardrop shaped glove, 12 ounce, real leather, nice firm closure. Nice stitching in it. As you can see, the stitching's quite good, breathable holes, and lots of padding. So if you're looking for some new contest gloves, these will be a good choice, so long as you use them before 2024, because in 2024 the license runs out for these to be used in competitions. And yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed this very short glove review. There isn't that much more to say about these amateur style competition gloves as there is about other gloves. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. So for now, take care guys, bye bye.